start. This chapter is more of construction, so you'll have to do it yourself using a compass and protractor and all the geometrical instruments. If AB is parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC, AB equals to 7, BC equals to 6. Now how to draw BC equals to 6? Take a compass, put a point over here and make an arc of 6. AD equals to 6.5. Again put a compass, make an arc over here at 6.5. Then angle B equals to 70. Here you put a this protractor and then take 70 degrees and then cut that arc so that you get this point. From here draw a line parallel DC to AB, and then where it cuts, here it is point D. So which figure can be constructed? Here two lines parallel, two sides parallel and remaining sides not equal, so it is a trapezium, right? See, the important part of trapezium is, that's also called trapezoid. One pair of opposite sides is parallel, that's the only condition, and remaining non-parallel sides, if they are congruent, then it's called as isosceles. But they can be, they cannot be, but one pair of opposite sides is parallel, that's important. So answer